Over the past few weeks, we uploaded a few videos covering the new 2026 lineup from Festool. The tools themselves were impressive, the engineering looked solid, and the innovations were definitely worth talking about. But interestingly, the biggest reaction didn't come from the tools themselves, it came from the comments section. Almost immediately, the same questions started appearing again and again. Why is Festool so expensive? Why are these tools ridiculously priced? Who would even pay this much for a power tool? And honestly, the number of comments about the price was countless. Some people were genuinely curious, some were frustrated, and some simply couldn't believe that a single tool could cost 2 or 3 times more than what brands like Makita or DeWalt usually charge. So instead of replying to those comments one by one, it actually makes more sense to step back and break the whole thing down properly. Because the truth is, Festool's pricing is not random, and it's definitely not just about branding. There are several very specific reasons why these tools sit in such a high price bracket. And once you start looking at how these tools are engineered, where they are made, and who they are actually built for, the story behind those price tags starts to make a lot more sense. To begin with, Festool has always positioned itself as a premium professional brand, not a general consumer tool company. The German manufacturer has been around for more than 90 years, and a large portion of its production still takes place in Germany. In fact, around 80% of their manufacturing happens there. That alone significantly increases production costs because Germany has higher labor costs, stricter environmental rules, and extremely tight manufacturing standards compared to many global production hubs. However, this approach also allows Festool to maintain an extremely high level of precision engineering and quality control. That leads directly to one of the biggest reasons behind the high price, which is build quality and materials. Festool tools are designed to handle heavy professional workloads for years. The company uses high-grade metals, durable composites, and extremely precise internal components. As a result, many of their tools maintain their calibration much longer than typical tools in the market, which means fewer mistakes and less wasted material on job sites. For professionals who rely on accuracy every single day, that reliability is a big deal. Another key factor is innovation and research. Festool invests heavily in research and development, and many of their tools come with features that are rarely seen elsewhere. One of the most famous examples is their dust extraction system, which is widely considered one of the best in the industry. With HEPA filtration capable of capturing 99.99% of fine particles, these systems help create a cleaner and healthier working environment. In professional settings where dust exposure regulations are strict, this becomes more than just a convenience, it becomes a necessity. Some newer tools also include Bluetooth connectivity, allowing them to communicate with smart dust extractors or mobile apps for usage tracking and maintenance monitoring. On top of that, many tools use high-efficiency brushless motors, which provide consistent power while reducing heat and wear over time. All of this innovation requires serious investment, and that cost naturally becomes part of the final product price. Then there is another aspect that makes Festool different from most tool brands, and that is the system approach. Festool doesn't just sell individual tools. Instead, the company builds an entire ecosystem around them. A great example is the well-known Systainer storage system, where toolboxes stack and lock together neatly. It may sound simple, but on real job sites, this kind of organization can save a surprising amount of time. Tools, accessories, and consumables stay organized, easy to transport, and quick to access. Festool tools also feature quick change mechanisms for blades, bits, and attachments, which reduces downtime between tasks. When someone is working on tight deadlines or large projects, saving even a few minutes repeatedly throughout the day can significantly improve productivity. Another part of the price comes from after-sales service and support. Festool offers a 3-year warranty, along with a strong service network that focuses on quick repairs and minimal downtime. In many cases, tools can be repaired or replaced through authorized service centers with very little hassle. For professionals who depend on their tools for income, that level of reliability is extremely valuable. Interestingly, Festool tools also maintain a very strong resale value. Even after years of use, many tools can still sell for 60 to 80% of their original price in the second-hand market. This means that professionals upgrading their tools later can recover a large portion of their initial investment. When you look at all these factors together, the price begins to make more sense. For full-time professionals, Festool tools often pay for themselves through time savings, durability, and long-term reliability. Many users report tools lasting well over a decade with minimal issues. However, for casual users or weekend hobbyists, the situation can be very different. If someone only uses tools occasionally, the advanced ecosystem, premium materials, and professional-grade features may feel unnecessary. In those cases, brands like Makita or DeWalt can offer excellent performance at a much lower price. So, in the end, Festool's pricing is not just about the tool itself. It reflects German engineering, heavy investment in innovation, an integrated tool ecosystem, and a design philosophy built specifically for professionals who rely on their tools every day. And that's the real reason why those price tags look the way they do.